Hello everyone, it's Gwyn here from GW Pro, and today I want to be showing you a trade setup I have with the GbpChf. If you're new to this channel, I recommend that you subscribe and also turn on the notification bell on this channel so you're getting information whenever I post content such as this one. Alright. So in this one, I'm going to be giving you a full breakdown of the current situation and also where you can start looking for trade opportunities also with the GbpChf. Alright, so here we can also have it that we have an impulse here and we have a correction here and we have a next impulse there. Alright, so we can then start working out that we have an impulse, correction, impulse. Alright, that's very nice for an uptrend. Alright, so we have a three-wave move to the upside. Alright, so however, we did have what we can also see in a smaller time frame. So I'm going to share with you what this whole territory means and what is also happening inside of this range. All right, so this is a corrective wave. As you can see, it's slow, it's choppy, but in a corrective wave, the majority of the trend is to the downside. All right, so we're going to share this. I'm going to share this with you guys, and I'm going to give you entry points. I'm going to give you exit point as well to start looking for trade opportunities and how you're going to approach this. All right. So with this one here, and what we are currently having here, that we have also a full breakdown using the Elliot wave. I'm going to be sharing with you this one. We have a wave A, we have an impulse, correction, impulse, which then created our wave B, and we have a wave C, we have our D, and we have our E. All right, so we could also say that after an A, B, C, D, E, all right, what we could expect is we can have a W, all right, W inside of here, which could have created this X leg. All right, so what we want to see next is a drop to downside. So we have an impulse, correction, impulse. All right, we have that, and also we also have it that this created our A leg. Then we have a corrective wave. As you can see, that is slow, that is choppy. All right, let me just go down to a lower time frame so you can also see that as well. All right, so a corrective move or a corrective wave is a slow, choppy price action. All right, we're constrained in a parallel line. So when you have price trading inside of a channel, definitely that's a corrective wave. All right, so you have this slow choppy price action here. So we have our impulse A, we have our B, and we have our C. All right, so this created the A leg, and we have our B, and then we could expect then a drop to downside to complete our C. All right, so with this one here, what I want to do with this one here is that I also see that and identify a structure such as this one, A, B, C, D, and then E. All right, so what we had here was an A that created an A, B, C flat pattern. All right, then we had price then move to complete the C to the upside, and then it created an A, B. Okay, let me just go ahead and use another color there. All right, that created an A, B, and then C. All right, so what we want to see is a three-wave move to downside, and we have our A. So working out a B in here, and we could expect then our C. All right. So working with that one here, so we have a current trading opportunity here because taking a fib from a swing high to a swing low, and we could see that this whole territory is where we want to start looking for entry points. All right, we want to start looking for those short opportunities inside of that area. All right, so from this point on, we can then start opening positions for a short opportunities because of this structure here. So we're going to be targeting our final take profit, all right, inside of this zone here, and also a break of this previous structure. Let's go ahead and show you guys for a final take profit, all right, with this one. All right, so our final take profit is going to be a Fibonacci extension of this swing. All right, we're going to go ahead and put up our line there, 127. The 1.243 is also a good target, and we can just go adjust this one a little bit, and we're going to take profit one here as well. All right, so we have two take profit areas. We're going to take profit one at 1.254, All right, so you can say 1.255 is also a good area. So 1.255 is also a good area for a take profit 1. And also 1.243 is also good for a take profit 2. All right, so let's see what kind of trade we'll be taking with that one in terms of risk to reward. All right, so if you're taking a trade here, we're going to be risking 70 pips, and we're going to target first 149 pips and for TP1, and also 267 pips for a TP2. All right, so with that, I wrap up this session. See you next time. Subscribe, like, share with friends. That's going to be the best thank you, and it's going to also help in the creation of other educational videos. I love you all, and remain blessed.